So, I'll take you around the pond. Might as well. My grandma's got a Canadian goose that stays down here that has the most, I guess you can call it original name ever. She started calling it Quack Quack. Go figure, I reckon. Bunch of briars and mess down in there. All kind of old mess. Stuff back a long time ago was put down behind here, like old chest freezers. They filled full of dirt and everything to help hold the pond dam together. And it did a pretty good job too. It ain't washed away yet. There's standpipe. But that's one thing I always thought was kind of neat, was that thing right there. That's an old vacuum cleaner. If anybody wants it, I'll dig it up, and if they pay for the shipping, I'll send it to them. I don't know nothing about it. All I know is vacuum cleaner. There's fish in that pond, I would reckon. There's some guppies. But yeah, I used to do a lot of fishing out here with my granddaddy. There's Quack Quack. Where'd he go? That's him, I think. Either that or I'm looking at rocks. I can't tell in that little screen. Close enough. And there's my boat. Well, me and Wesley's boat. Oh Lord, that thing's terrible. I bought it from my buddy Dustin for $30. I paid $35 and Wesley paid $30 or something like that for it. I guess that was an 04 or 03. And it's a 14-foot Sears and Roebuck John boat that Wesley quotes refiberglassed, not really, and painted it with boat paint, house paint. It's hunter green house paint, and it started sinking again. So that's not exactly the best of boats. It's been sitting like that for the past 2 years. Whatever. The seat that's in my Green Willies, the passenger seat that we always say is a boat seat, that was flipping David over the other day, it come out of that. So now we're down here at shooting range. And there's water or something. I don't know. It ain't my land. After about 50 feet in, it turns into the neighbor's land. We got our shooting bank there, which is a pretty good design. It's a big pile of dirt with tires and stuff on the front of it to help keep the bullets from going through. Of course, they ain't going through the dirt, but basically the tires are good for breeding mosquitoes. Found that out, and you can see where they've been kind of shredded up. Shoot at cans and every other thing. Those are from, all those scars in the ground are from this morning. Fast fire and or bump fire in the AK. We shoot clay pigeons on the hill there. And back through here, down this little deer path, we got the creek, which is kind of muddy right now. Oh! Yep, definitely got a little muddy. It's got a good sound to it though. Soothing, I reckon. I'll be damned, there's another Coca-Cola crate. I keep finding Coca-Cola crates right around the shore. The old plastic ones that the glass bottles come in. I reckon they used to set them down out here and go fishing with them or something. Set their Coca-Colas in them to go fishing. Whatever. This fence divides the property line, sorta. Property line, I think, is technically the middle of the creek. And then there's all these briars in here that's in my way. I wish they'd go on somewhere. There's another one of them Coca-Cola crates. I'm gonna come back in here and pick them up one day. I wanted to show them to David. Me and him collect the Coca-Cola stuff, so. Oh, barbed wire. Oh. All kind of good stuff. Yeah, moss, vines, beaches. Clean water, though, I tell you what. Cold water too. Yeah, it's nice back in here. As long as I don't fall in, I'll be alright. Used to always walk back in here. See new things every time I come in here. Kind of neat to walk back in here once in a while. People always ask me, since I shoot so much, do I hunt? And the answer is no, I don't. Hunting's never been my thing. It's not something I want to do. Hunting just never interested me. I think that tree's a mite rotted down in there. I see the water through it. That's the pond dam right there. Goes up there pretty good. Lots of deer back in here. If I walk around, the guy that lives next to us hunts back in here. And there's corn cobs and nests back in here too. I reckon you can call that a sandbar. Something. Got some more rocks down in here. I like that sound. It sounds good when they're flowing like that. Some more of them right in there. I don't fall in. I hope not. That'd piss me off pretty good. Yeah. Don't flow so quick right there. Man, I didn't know all that mess was in the creek. Like a lot of it must have fallen in there. Yeah, this creek keeps on going. I reckon we ought to head on back to the golf cart and I'll ride around a little bit more for a different area to farm the tour. Oh, roots. That's the back side of the shooting pile there. And we're back out to the golf cart.